Okay, so this video is for the students who did not attend the meeting. So the first step you have to do is to draw a base. So abstract. Draw a flower base. And then use curve line. Okay. Then you will draw rows at the top. Then you will draw a leaf. Then curve lines. Then leaf. Okay. Then right now you will draw a spiral on the top. So abstract style kasi siya. Okay. Then right now you will draw a bottle. Okay, so tabingi yung lines dapat kasi abstract yung style ng still life eh. Yan, kailangan tabingi. Then you will draw a cork. Then right here you will draw a bar. Okay. Then right now you will draw a wine glass. Okay, so right now you will draw two lines in the background. Like this. Okay, two lines. One and two. Okay. So, yan. So, okay. Then you will draw highlights. Okay, so that is the drawing stage. Okay, so focus on the line and do your best. Okay, so make sure that your drawing is accurate and we will paint this later. Okay.